Hey guys, are you also manually filtering data like this in Excel? Stop. Try this new way. Select the data range, click on Control T, press Enter. Your data will be converted into table. Select the table range, click on Table Design, click on Insert Slicer. Select the range which you want to filter. In this case, like you want to filter by region, click on Region, press OK. In Region, change the column from 1 to 4 and adjust the slicer bar. Bring the slicer to the top and filter like this. If you want to filter multiple region, click on multi selects from here, then your region will be multi selected. If you want to unfilter, you can unfilter from here. If you like this hack, share this video with your friends and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.